Hello, my friend. Hello, I am Grandpa Joe. Come in, come in. Sit here with me. It is warm and cozy. I am so happy to see you today. So happy. Today we learn something lovely. We learn colors. Look around you. There are colors everywhere. Red, blue, green, yellow. Colors in the home, colors in the garden, colors in the sky, colors on your clothes, colors on the food you eat. The world is full of color. Today we go slow, very slow. I say a color, and you say it after me. Then I point to a thing of that color. Real things help us remember. Take a deep breath, in and out. Good. Are you ready? Let us look at the colors together. Our first color is red. Red. Say it with me. Red. Again, slowly. Red. One more time. Red. Now look, here is a red apple. The apple is red. Red is worn. Red is bright. Here is a small sentence. The apple is red. Say it with me. The apple is red. Lovely. What else is red? A red rose in the garden. A red door. A red bus. A red heart. Say the color one more time with me. Red. Wonderful. Red is our first color. Look around your room. Can you see something red? Point to it. Say, that is red. Very good, my friend. You found a red thing all by yourself. Our next color is blue. Blue. Say it with me. Blue. Again, slowly. Blue. One more time. Blue. Now look, here is a blue cup. The cup is blue. Blue is cool and calm. The sky is blue. The sea is blue. My little teapot is blue too. Here is a small sentence. The cup is blue. Say it with me. The cup is blue. Lovely. Now say, the sky is blue. Say it. The sky is blue. Wonderful. Now let's say the two colors together. Red, blue. Very good. Look up at the sky. On a clear day, it is blue. Look around your room. Can you see something blue? Point to it. Say, that is blue. Wonderful. Two colors now. Red and blue. Our next color is green. Green. Say it with me. Green. Again, slowly. Green. One more time. Green. Now look. Here is a green plant. The plant is green. Green is the color of the garden. The grass is green. The leaves are green. Here is a small sentence. The plant is green. Say it with me. The plant is green. Lovely. Now say, the grass is green. Say it. The grass is green. Wonderful. My cardigan is green too. See? It is a soft olive green. Green is calm. Green is fresh. It is the color of new leaves in spring. Let us say the color so far. Red, blue, green. Oh, very good. Look outside your window. The trees are green. Can you see something green? Point to it. Say, that is green. Wonderful. Three colors now. Our next color is yellow. Yellow. Say it with me. Yellow. Again, slowly. Yellow. One more time. Yellow. Now look, here is a yellow flower. The flower is yellow. Yellow is bright and happy. The sun is yellow. A lemon is yellow. A little duck is yellow. Here is a small sentence. The flower is yellow. Say it with me. The flower is yellow. Lovely. Now say the sun is yellow. Say it. The sun is yellow. Wonderful. Cheerful color. It makes me smile. Let us say the colors together. Red, blue, green, yellow. Wonderful. 4 colors now. Look around you. Can you see something yellow? Point to it. Say, that is yellow. Oh, very good, my friend. Our next color is white. White. Say it with me. White. Again, slowly. White. One more time. White. Now look, here is a white cup and here are white pages in my book. The pages are white. Snow is white. The clouds are white. Milk is white. My hair is white too. See? Here is a small sentence. The page is white. Say it with me. The page is white. Now say, the clouds are white. Say it. The clouds are white. Lovely. Now the next color. Brown. Brown. Say it with me. Brown. Again. Brown. The table is brown. The tree trunk is brown. Bread is brown. Here is a small sentence. The table is brown. Say it. The table is brown. Now say, the tree is brown. Say it. The tree is brown. Wonderful. White and brown. Our last color is orange. Orange. Say it with me. Orange. Again. Slowly. Orange. One more time. Orange. Now look, here is an orange. Yes, the fruit is called an orange, and its color is orange too. The orange is orange. Here's a small sentence. The fruit is orange. Say it with me. The fruit is orange. Now say, the carrot is orange. Say it. The carrot is orange. Lovely. A carrot is orange. A pumpkin is orange. The evening sky can be orange too. When the sun goes down, say the color one more time. Orange. Wonderful. Now we have all 7 colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, white, brown, orange. Oh, look at all those lovely colors. You are learning so well, my friend. Now, let us say all 7 colors from the start, nice and slow. Listen to me first. Red, blue, green, yellow, white, brown, orange. Lovely and calm. Now you say them with me. Ready? Red, blue, green, yellow, white, brown, orange. Oh, wonderful. You said all 7 colors. You did so well. I am very proud of you. So proud. Let us do it one more time, even slower. Red, blue, green, yellow, white, brown, orange. Beautiful. Now let us look at things again. The apple is red. The cup is blue. The plant is green. The flower is yellow. The page is white. The table is brown. The fruit is orange. Beautiful sentences. You can say these today. You can point to a thing and say its color. That is real English. Now let us have a little fun. A small review. I will name a thing and you say its color. Ready? The grass is green. Yes. The sky is blue. Yes. The sun is yellow. Yes. An apple is red. Yes. The clouds are white. Yes. A carrot is orange. Yes. Oh, you are so clever. Now here is a small question for you. Look around your room, right now, slowly. What is your favorite color? Is it red? Is it blue? Is it green? Is it yellow? Find something of that color, point to it, and say, my favorite color is, and say it out loud, to me, right now. I am listening. Thank you. Oh, what a beautiful color that is. It is a lovely choice. Well done, my friend. Well done. Today we learned 7 colors: red, blue, green, yellow, white, brown, orange. And we found them all around us, in the home and in the garden. We found a red apple. We found a blue cup. We found a green plant. We found a yellow flower. You worked so hard today. You should feel very proud. I am proud of you. Now, all day long, look around and name the colors you see. Look at your cup. What color is it? Look at your door. What color is it? Say the color out loud, softly. It is good practice, and it is fun. The world is full of lovely colors, and now you can name them. Do not worry if a color is hard to say at first. Just say it again, slowly and softly, and it will come. Little by little, you learn. If you enjoyed this slow lesson, please subscribe to English with Grandpa Joe. It helps our little library grow, and it makes this old teacher smile. Thank you for looking at the colors with me. Goodbye for now. Goodbye. See you next time, my friend. Take care.